Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to unbox and take a quick look at some JoyToy action figure, as you can see here. So JoyToys are basically like some high-end version of J. Joe's figure. So here's a J. Joe, for example. That's the Cobra Iron Grenadier here. But yeah, they're basically these guys, but much better in terms of quality and accessories and all that. So yeah, today we're going to have a quick look at those. These usually are a bit on the pricier side than the G.I. Joes. They're like, I think they usually go for $30, which is an obscene amount for G.I. Joe. But yeah, let's see if these are actually worth the price. So this is basically, I believe, one of the army builder here. So it's a generic soldier here that you use to build your army. So here's the front of the packaging. You can see JoyToy, that's the company name. Military figures. And yeah, I picked this guy up because he looks a lot like a Titanfall action figure here with the helmet. On the back we have not much. We have number 11 because it's the Army Builder Promotion Pack 11 here. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for the box. Let's get inside. So one of the things I like about this type of box, just take these off. I like that you can reuse the box. That's actually always a plus in my mind. Being able to reuse the box. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna use my knife for that. That's how good they make this box. So we can take the cardboard out. And this is their... Come on, come to me. There we go. Let's have a look down here. Oh, it comes with a small stand here. Very simple stand. That's actually something they don't give you in the J. Joes here. And one thing I'm curious, can you actually use this stand for J. Joes? Oh, yeah, you can actually use them for J. Joes here. So that's actually a nice feature. We have, they have their own branded silicone gel here, silica gel. So why not? And there's the figure here, which is really high quality. It comes with multiple hands. Have a quick look in a minute here. Let's take everything out of the box. And here's everything you get. So yeah, really like I picked this guy up because he really looked like a Titanfall soldier here. Again, really nice paint job. Yeah, compared to J. Joe here, which are usually like $15 something. You can feel the quality of the plastic here is much heavier. Oh, he has like a watch or something here. Yeah, the quality is really nice. The nice thing about these guys is that you can basically take off all the equipment, all that, the straps and body armor that they have on them. They're really customizable. Oh, and you can put the gun in here. See, the gun actually goes here. That's actually really nice. It's got some pretty good articulations here. Oh, legs can go. Oh, he can actually run. Legs are double jointed here. Really, really nice. He has some waist swivel here. No up. Oh, yes, he does have some up crunch. Oh, hands are on. We have articulations here on the hands. And they're a bit soft, but not too soft. I wonder, I keep seeing this knife. Oh, we can pull the knife out. That's a surprise. That's like a bonus weapon here. He's got a small radio here, which you can't take off. But yeah, so many articulations. Yeah, you can see you can take the strap of the body armor off, which I'm not gonna do right now, but yeah, he comes with another gripping hand for the other arms. For the weapons, he comes with I think a knife, specific knife holding hand, and half open, half closed hand. So that's actually plenty hands here. And oh, he holds the weapons that easily. And if you put this open hand, you could make him hold. Oh yeah, he can hold really nicely. Oh yeah, he's actually really nice. I'm quite amazed, to be honest. I've always seen these guys, like I said, online, and a lot of them on AliExpress, since they're a Chinese toy company here. But yeah, I've always wanted to try them, but the price always put me off because they were really pricey. And yeah, for being high quality Joe. But to be honest, yeah, this guy feel like he actually is worth $30. So much high quality here. And he does have some. Oh, he has some articulations here on the legs. Some legs here, ankle here. Oh, that's a bit hard to move. I'm not gonna move that much. But yeah, you can. I like that they give you the little stand, which is something they really miss with the G.I. Joe. I wish the newer G.I. Joes would actually have stands. They used to have stands at one point. But yeah, really nice. I wish they could have given you something to put the rifle somewhere. At least somewhere to peg it on the back or something, but I guess that's okay. Let's see, does the small gun fits? Yeah, the small gun fits nicely here. Yeah. I'm quite surprised at the quality here. So there he is next to a G.I. Joe, and they're pretty much the same height. As you can see, like he's 11 centimeters tall. And yeah, same for the G.I. Joe here. And what else can I give you to compare him? There's a World of Halo Master Chief from Jazzware or Wicked to Cool Toys. And Master Chief's a bit tall for a figure. He's pretty much on scale with them because he's supposed to be a really tall guy. But yeah, he's still on scale with them. So yeah. That's a pretty nice figure. So yeah, if like me you had doubts about these guys, well, I can tell you, they're pretty much worth every penny. They're really well made. The paint is really nice, you can see. Articulations are nice. The figures doesn't feel like some cheap hollow plastic they used. It's really nicely made. Paint is pretty nice. You can see there's some shading of green here and there, some wrinkles on the jacket and all that. Lots of accessories. So yeah, I like that you have the holster for the little pistol here. Really nice, really great. Lots of pose you can get of this guy. I really like they've added the little stand. They've given you some extra hands. So yeah, from what I understand, these guys are supposed to be some army builders here. So you're just getting some basic stuff. So he just have a gun, a pistol, and a rifle, and nothing else. But you can get some with much more weapons and stuff. Some have a special stand and all that. So yeah, really nice figure, to be honest. So yeah, do I recommend you getting him? Absolutely. And I might actually get more for myself. So yeah, that's it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye!